Okay, so our first problem is 89 minus 52. Solving this with expanded notation, we would have 80 plus 9 and 50 plus 2. Can we take away 9 minus 2? We sure can. That's 7. And 80 minus 50 is 30, leaving us with 37. If we do this with base 10 notation, we would go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now can we take away 2? And can we take away 50? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And you can see we're left with 3 longs and 7 cubes. So again, we're left with 37. Okay, for the next one, it's 94 minus 67. So that would be 90 plus 4 and 60 plus 7. Now we're gonna come up with we're gonna have a little bit of a problem here because we cannot take away 7 if we only have 4 cubes. What we're gonna do is we're gonna come over to our tens. We're gonna borrow one group of tens. Now we're gonna bring that group of tens over here. Okay, so our 4 is gonna become a 14. So 14 minus 7, that's a doubles fact, is 7, and 80 minus 60 is 20. So we have 27. We do this with base 10 shorthand. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, we cannot take away 7 cubes if we only have 4 cubes. I'm going to go ahead and erase this long. I'm going to trade it in for 10 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I'm going to take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to take away 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Again, you'll see that we're left with 2 longs, which is 20, and 7 cubes, which is 27. Okay. Now we have 72 minus 38. So that would be 70 plus 2 and 30 plus 8. Okay. So we cannot take away 8 cubes if we only have 2 cubes. We have to look at our longs or our tens. So we have 7 tens. I can take away one of those tens and it'll become 6 tens. And our 2 will become 10 more, which is 12. Can we do 12 minus 8? Sure, it's 4. And then 60 minus 30 is 30. 30 plus 4, 34. Okay, now base 10 notation. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 1, 2. Now we cannot take away 8 cubes if we only have 2 cubes. I'm going to take away one of my longs. I'm going to trade it in for 10 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now can we take away 8? Sure can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see we're left with 4 cubes. Now we need to take away 3 longs. 10, 20, 30. Now we're left with 3 longs. So we have 34, just like we did up here. Okay, now we're getting into the hundreds. So 643 expanded is 600 plus 40 plus 3, and 421 is 400 plus 20 plus 1. So can we take away 3 minus 1? Sure, it's 2. 40 minus 20 is 20. 600 minus 400 is 200. So we have 222. Now, base 10. Remember, flats are squares, so 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. And our longs, 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3. Right? So we're going to take away 421. Take away one of these. That's 1. Take away 10 and 20. And then we take away 400s. 100, 200, 300, 400. And we're left with 2 flats, 2 longs, and 2 cubes for a total of 222 again. Our next problem, we have 400 plus 20 plus 6, and 200 plus 70 plus 8. A little bit of a problem here because we cannot take away 8 cubes if we only have 6. So we're going to borrow from our tens. We're going to look at our tens and exchange 1 10 for 10 cubes. So our 6 becomes a 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Now we have to look. Can we take away 7 longs if we only have 1 long? No. So we're going to go to our hundreds. Our 400 is gonna become a 300. And our 100 is actually just going to go right here. Our 10 just becomes 110. 110 minus 70 is 40. And 300 minus 200 is 100. So our final answer is 148. Now with base 10 notation, we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We cannot take away 8 cubes if we only have 6, so I'm going to trade in one of my longs for 10 cubes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now can I take away 8? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to be left with this, which is 3, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 long, and we need to take away 7. So I need to trade in. We're going to take away 1 flat, and we're going to make that 10 longs. We're going to bring down over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now can we take away 7 longs, like it's asking right here? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And as you can see, I'm left with 4 longs, which is 40. Now my last step is to take away 2 hundreds. So 100, 200. So now I'm left with 148. And our last one, 903, which would be 900. Since we have 0 10, so I'm just going to do that for now, and 3. So 903. Now if we were writing this on our paper, we could just normally put 900 plus 3, but I'm going to keep my 10 spot ready. Then we do 500 plus 40 plus 2. Can we do 3 minus 2? Sure, 1, right? But can we take away 40 if we have 0? We can't. So we're going to go to our hundreds. Our 900 is going to become an 800. And now we're going to put our hundreds right here. We just took 100 from here and we brought it over here. 100 minus 40 is 60. And then 800 minus 500 is 300. So our final answer is 361. Now, doing this with base 10 notation, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1, 2, 3. Now, my problem says to take away 542. Can we take away 2? Sure can. We're left with 1. Next step, can we take away 40? We cannot. So I'm going to trade this in for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to take away 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. And I'm going to take away 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, we're left with 300 and 61. 361. Okay.